on operations and production performance management. So this course is delivered by 3 collaborators, Sachin Modgil, Shilpa Parki and Swati. So we will now go ahead with this course on operations and production management. So we will be covering about why this pursuit of excellence is required for the operations and production management, and why it is required to determine the standards for efficiency, and why it is required for the firms to achieve the competitive environment and changing the performance measurement system. So that is why competitive priorities needs to be set up by the organizations, and time-based competitive strategies normally the firms do adopt in the market, and will have the emphasis on the flexibility and innovation, and there will be number of LXTs and LBDs and LEDs in this course that will be followed by this presentation, and you can see that on the Moodle website. So now the few questions in the mind before we go ahead. So what are the activities responsible for the performance of the firm? What are the comparison between the actual and desired level of performance? What are the activities needed the attention of the firm so that the firm performance can be improved? So these all answers can be, these all questions can be answered with this course. So for example, I have here the performance rank matrix which has been given here. So if you see on the left hand side, the right from efficiency, delivery, reliability, innovation to quality conformance, these all are the parameters on which performance of the company is measured. And on the top row, right from the top materials purchased, the raw materials purchased, the nuts and bolts purchased, part purchased, these all are the processes. So whether we are efficient, we are having the reliability in each process that we will be seeing now. And then activity priority matrix, which has been taken from the experts, and then when you will solve it for the cost that is given here, then you will have the performance weighted matrix, which is normally called as also the normalized matrix also. So then we will compare finally the actual and desired rank and their difference. So wherever we will have the difference, that means those areas needs to be improved. But now the question remains whether which process is lacking in which parameters. So whether it is lacking in efficiency, whether it is lacking in reliability, flexibility or quality conformance. So after these calculations, one can see that the activities A, G and C requires the efficiency, they have the highest efficiency, and they require to be on the high note on the delivery and reliability and so on. So if we need to conclude this presentation, which is on the introduction of the operations and production management, then we can rank also the different activities. That activity A, which is regarding to the raw material purchasing, so they need to focus on first on efficiency and then reliability and then delivery. And similarly for activity C and D, F and G. So this is just one of the example which demonstrates how the performance of the organization on different parameters can be calculated or can be measured. So now we will see you in the due course when you will be attempting the learning by doing and learning of the extension courses. Thank you very much. And please do read the resource material which is provided